some okra and saltfish. I have my okra, I have some thyme leaves, some onions, pepper, garlic, my saltfish. I'm now starting by adding some onions to about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm now going in with some crushed garlic, some scotch bonnet pepper, and Escallion of course. And I'll also be adding some thyme leaves. I usually take my thyme leaves off the stick. So I'm going in with about 2 sticks of thyme leaves. So we want to mix this up nicely before adding some water. You want to get the flavors of the different seasoning out in that oil. So you're going to stir this for about a minute or 2 and then proceed by adding some water. So next we're going to add our okra to our pot and allow it to steam on low heat. So we want the okra to steam on low heat until it's basically cooked. So now that my okras are cooked, I'm just going to add a little bit more water before adding my saltfish and the rest of my seasonings. I'm now going in with my diced tomatoes. So here's now the difference between our regular cook up okra and saltfish and my stew okra and saltfish. So I'm adding some ketchup, which I would not normally add if I'm just doing the regular Jamaican cook up okra and saltfish. I'm also going in with my black pepper as per usual. I'm also going to add a little bit of sugar. The sugar is completely optional, but if you want that sweet taste, then I would recommend that you go ahead. I just added some Maggi all-purpose seasoning as well. I'm now going to mix this up, cover it for about 3 minutes or until it is of that nice consistency that I'm looking for. And there you have it, my okra and saltfish stew.